Part of having a good bocce court or maintaining your bocce court is making sure the irrigation system is directed to the plant material and not to the bocce court where it's just going to flood it and mess it up. Unfortunately, some genius decided to put a shrub head right where people are sitting and enjoying themselves. The shrub head got broken naturally and spraying water onto the court. And who's to know that someone wouldn't trip over this and land out in the darn rock or the bushes here and have a very unfortunate accident. Should not have a shrub head where pedestrian traffic is. So we're going to put a pop-up sprinkler in here. We're going to use a 6-inch Rainbird pop-up, comes above ground, and it's going to be attached to what's called a swing assembly, which will allow it to move a little bit if someone steps on the top of it. The sprinklers have a bottom and top port to attach the swing assembly to. And you can see the master of irrigation genius here also decided to install it with 3 inches of cement, which made my repair job an absolute joy. And we can see how deep down it is. So you got about a 24-inch shrub riser here, which really tough to fix when it's that deep in a chunk of cement. So we're going to take the swing assembly and put it down here. We don't have to use it. You could go either way. You could put Teflon tape on this, or you could not. Because it's a Marlex fitting, not absolutely necessary. And given the dynamics down here, I might make this a little harder than it already is. Fit it in there. Marlex is a soft plastic. Be very careful not to cross thread it. Cross thread it once, take the fitting off and replace it. It'll be a piece of junk later on. So you can see, instead of having this solid nipple here and a shrub head liability, now we've got a nice Rainbird pop-up sprinkler that we can adjust to the proper grade of the landscape here. And if someone does step on it, it'll give a little bit. Not a lot, but enough. It'll certainly make it a lot easier to repair. This will get filled in. The orange piece is temporary. That's just for working on it. After we flush the system, then we can put the sprinkler filter and the nozzle into the body of the sprinkler. Pop-up sprinklers come in 4-inch, 6-inch, 12-inch sizes. Even in lawn areas, I've always preferred a 6-inch pop-up when using a fescue lawn. It allows to have a higher mow height in the summer, which allows the grass not to be as stressed out. So, again, the importance of proper bocce court maintenance. Make sure that water is going out there on the shrubs, not in your court.